walk through a world made of flashing screens, neon gods and broken dreams. Voices scream and look at me, but nobody says what they mean. Heroes sold for trending lies, truth gets buried, ego flies. Every headline, every show feels like something I don't know. Wasn't there a time when stories had a soul, when fame was earned and not just bought and sold? Now it's noise where the light should be, crowds but no humanity, famous faces, empty eyes, everything is compromised. I'm searching for something real in a world that forgot to feel. Tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm blind, 'cause I can't find hope in mankind. Movies used to make us dream, now they're polished cold machines. Magic turned to marketing, kings replaced by puppeteering. Children growing way too fast in a world built out of glass. Morals bending for applause, no one's stopping a pause. Is it me who changed, or did the colors fade? Did we trade our death for a cheaper masquerade? Now it's noise where the light should be, crowds but no humanity, famous faces, hollow praise, burning bright for 15 days. I'm searching for something real, something time cannot conceal. Tell me there's more than this design, tell me we're not all declined. But there are me, one soul who doesn't pretend, a quiet strength I can't defend. And for a second I believe maybe goodness didn't leave. Maybe it's rare, maybe it's small, maybe it's hidden under it all. Through the noise I see a spark, a single fire in the dark. If one good art can still exist, maybe all is not dismissed. Maybe truth is just hard to see, not dead, just drowned in vanity. Yeah, maybe hope is hard to find, but not erased from humankind. If one still stands against the fall, then maybe we're not lost at all.